Good evening, my fellow traders. So it's a final webinar for today. Let's have a look at what is actually going on the market. So I will start with euro dollar. Well, basically I do have all of my position have been closed by break even. So I will re-enter some of them. Okay, so euro dollar, let's start with this one. Well, as we can see, the level 1.10897, the price has bounced over this level. And let me place an order here. So I will place an order to, let me tell you, all right, so it's 1.1085. Sell limit order here. 1085. Okay, stop loss 1105. Yes, that's it. And I won't place any targets at the moment. So, and I will also place a expiration for this order for 20 minutes. Okay, so I will try to do it now. That's how it looks like. So I'm not joking here. All right, guys, let's go further. Pound dollar. Oof. The pound did move up actually, and it has broken all the records for today. So what is actually happening here? Well, I still want to sell it. We can switch to 4 hours to have a better picture. As we can see, the price is at the moment, the price is in a very good kind of resistance area. It's a structural resistance area because all my kind of session levels have been finished. So for European session, because European session has already finished as well. All right, so that's what I want to do. I want to sell it, and I will place a sell limit order at 1.33. Okay, with expiration for 2 hours. Free. Okay. 3325. Stop loss. And expiration for 2 hours. So it's let's see, will it work or not? Okay. Further, New Zealand. Oh, nice one. We are at session resistance at 73210. Does look like a reversal here. We do have a hammer, and well, hammer is not normally at the bottom, but still we do have it. All right, what shall I do? I will not do anything about it at the moment. So I do expect this price to kind of reverse, and I want to sell it with a target at 0.70774 roughly. But I will leave it for now. Let's go further. Dollar yen. The price is going further up. Ooh. I guess that most of the traders are trying to buy it now, but I'm still looking for a sell opportunities till 106.500, till about here. That's it. 129, 106,500. Let me place it here like this. All right. So up till this level is reached and broken, I'm trying to sell it with a target, first target at 105.32. Mexican. Nice one. It does look like the price is going to reverse at the moment, so we will have a good, hopefully a good selling opportunity tomorrow in the morning of European session. So what I would suggest you to do is to sell it off the 18 for 3500 with a very long-term target. I would say 2 weeks as minimum. Switching back to 1 week chart. As you can see, very strong bearish reversal pattern here. So at least 17,100 is a target. Wait till tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow morning, sorry about it, and then try to sell it. Basically, how do we sell and how do we buy? First of all, we must have a clear reversal signal, then we must place a limit order. To measure where to place this limit order, we must use a pattern size, at least half of it. All right, let me switch back to 4-hour chart. Okay, so it's gold. Ooh, nice, nice, very nice. So gold is going down closer and closer to 1322.70. I would say that it's not the level here, but the area, and I will place an area like this. Hopefully you will understand why. So basically 132220 or something like this. That's where I'm waiting for a bullish reversal patterns here. So it's good that the price is going down. We have a better opportunity to buy. That's good. That's what I like. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. Targets, the first one, 1373.0. Okay, let's go further. It's euro yen. Nice one. 116.359 is reached. As I told you before, this is a very nice level to sell. So what we have to do now, we have to wait till the current 4-hour candle will be closed, and then possibly during the Asian session, we'll be able to place a limit order, sell limit order at 116.359, the same level, yes, and due to the volatility, possible volatility during the Asian session, which is not high most of the time, but still it is possible to sell it with a perfect price here and a first break-even target at 114.739. Then it will go kind of to 111.35 at least. So talking about break-even target, I mean that when you actually enter the market, you are placing a few limit orders, for example, two Sometimes I do place 3. So the first one is to break even all other stop losses just in case. The second one to make a fast profit. And the third one just to trail a position for as long as we can. You're a kid? Yes, those of you who have been able to place a sell limit order at 1.44716 were able to enter the market with a very good price. The price is going further down towards this level 1.42861. So that's the first level. Possibility is that this level will be broken as well, so the price will go further down. Let's have a look at what time will show us here. Pound yen. All right, we've broken through a reversal area here. I don't really like it. Well, we have to wait. All right, I don't really like lines, but let me place one of them here at the top of this candle. Let me make it larger as you can see it. So I'm placing a line here which is at the very high or at the very top or peak, whatever you call it, here of this kind of peak. In case if this 4-hour candle will be closed below this level 138.96, I guess it's 95 indeed, we'll be able to sell it from here. So even if it will close kind of much lower than this level, then I would suggest to place a limit order at 138.95 or 139, which is much better, as we can have a wick towards there. Sell it with a short stop loss not more than 25 pips and a first target 1 to 8.500, as this level must be triggered before the price will continue its up movement. But what is also possible is that breaking through this level will lead price to a lower targets. Okay, let's go further. Nice one, Aussie yen. We are at reversal area, resistance area. But the only bad thing about is that we are at the area of southern border. So we also have a northern border. That's how I call it. Probably not only me. All right, so basically what we are looking for a reversal area around this, reversal pattern around this area. And the target will be 75.160, break even at 78.463. Stop losses just 72 and above this level. Dollar CAD. Nice one. Can you see how it does work? That's really nice. So that's the basically currency pair to trade using limit orders approach. Remember what I told you like 4 hours ago? While this candle has been forming, so this one has been formed already, I told you to sell of this level 1.30546 with a limit order. Can you imagine? So it has been triggered. The price did go down. What we have a first target is this area between these two lines. I remember I told you how I draw them. Basically, this is the area of possible reversal, which is a target number 1. Second target is 1.28436, and a third target is the area around 1.27800. All right. It does look like a continuation pattern. So let's have a look at what is going on and what is going to happen here. Okay, New Zealand yen. I told you about these levels here. I do expect a reversal from one of these levels. So basically 77 or 78. Looking for a reversal pattern with a first target at 74.194. Frankie. It was a very good entrance on a 15-minute chart. I do remember that I told you why it was a very good entry. It wasn't something I was waiting for. I was waiting till the price will reach this level 0.9785 at least. But why I have mentioned that this level might work as well, as you can see in the history, we do have a support area around this level also. So that's why it did work. You know, I was looking for a better price to entry, unfortunately. Yeah. It's like in real estate, you never have a better price. Well, it's not the same here. So just use your approach all the time. Okay, the next one, CAD yen. Okay, it's 15 minutes chart. Let me switch to 4 hours. We do have a reversal area here. I'm waiting for a reversal pattern around this area, 81, below or above, to sell it with a target at 76 at least, to trigger these stop losses that are below this area here, below this low here. So looking to sell it. Aussie, New Zealand. Ooh, nice one. It does look good. Very good. So basically, as you can see, this level here, 1.04494. Well, let's say 1.045. Yeah. Easier to remember at least. Let me place it here like 5. If you want, place a sell limit order with a stop loss just about 4.8, just above 4.8, and a first target, I would say a break-even target at 1.036. The price then will most likely continue its down movement. Let me switch to one-day chart at least. Okay, as we can see, the final target might be around 1.0060. That's actually what we're waiting for, and it's quite a good opportunity to sell. Well, at least to try. Don't recommend to use a wide stop losses. I never do it. Switch to 15 minutes. Sorry about it. Okay. Hey, where is it? Okay. Switch to one hour. All right. Well, actually, we did have on the 1 hour chart, we did have a reversal pattern. We did have a confirmation, and someone already has entered using a limit order here. As you can see this week, that's what it is. That's why it is here, because someone has been using a limit order to enter. So what we shall wait for is for this low to be broken, and then we can place a sell limit order at the bottom of this low, at this low basically. Okay, let's go further. Aussie. Nice one. Yes, Aussie, I've been trying to sell it around this area here. Was a bit unlucky. Basically, I did have a break even, so didn't lose anything. But what I will do now, I will place, as we can see, a possible reversal pattern. One more time, possible reversal pattern. So risky, and the pattern is not confirmed yet, is not finished. But still, I want to place a limit order at this level, 0.76530. 76530. 7678 stop loss. I'm not placing any targets at the moment. Don't place any time based cancellations as well. So I will just leave it for an Asian session. You know what? I will try to use a 75 level instead. Sorry about it. And 0.8. 70, no, 75 will be too far from here. Well, 77, 75. Yeah, I will place a sell limit order at 0.7750. 0.8 will be my stop loss. Or let me check. No, too much. 507775. 775 is a stop loss level. Sorry about my mistake. Well, it's a bit too far, to be honest. I'm not sure that this level will be triggered during the Asian session. So 7725, let me check it. It's a bit too far, to be honest. 7725. What about 77? Seven 764, so it's like 60 pips towards. Yeah, that's what I will do. Well, I will place a sell limit order at 0.77 and a stop loss at 7725. Let's see what is going to happen during Asian session. Let me show you a bit more. What's happening? Loading data. Okay. So we do know that every 25 pips, the price is reacting on these levels. So 77, and we don't actually have on a daily chart, we don't actually have any reversal patterns at the moment. So what I do expect is that they will close possibly above this level at 0.76530, and then with triggering this level here at 77, as you can see these highs here, basically a possible reversal area for a continuation of down movement. So looking for, okay, as you can see, I've placed a sell limit order, no targets at the moment, and a stop loss 7725. Okay. Four hours, sorry. Euro pound. Finally, we are going down. Finally. It's 4-hour chart. Let me switch to East. Didn't sell it, to be honest. Okay, so what we have here is actually what we are actually expecting is a continuation of euro northbound and pound south. So what a possible reversal area, as you can see, I've already kind of drawn a gray rectangle here. In case if these, we do have another one here. If you want, I can talk to you about these zones that I have here. Well, actually, it's just a fee, but it's moving averages. And most of the traders are actually laughing about it. And I do laugh on them as well, but still something makes sense. If you want me to talk about it, I can talk and I can give you a tutorial kind of on how to use them for orientation. Okay, looking to buy with the first target at 0.85. And euro dollar. Back to euro dollar, as I've already told you, I do have a sell limit order at this level 1.10897. Okay, guys, so basically that's what it is. I do hope that you will be able to make money, which is the only thing why we are doing trading. And it's not right if someone is telling you a different story. It's all about money. Okay, guys, have a good one. Have a good trading. I'll see you tomorrow in the morning. Bye-bye.